Hey everyone, it's Kholiswa. I'm with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I prep my natural hair. Basically, I'll be showing you how I do my own cornrows at the comfort of my own home. And during the video I'm going to be sharing with you the full effect of this protein treatment that I did 2 months ago on my channel, and I told you I'll give you a feedback. So I'm going to give you a feedback during the video, and then at the end of this video I'm going to be announcing a giveaway which will run up until 20 August 2020 in case you watch this video in 2021. So yeah, please keep watching. Actually, watch till the end of this video, because we do see if you don't watch the full video. I'm kidding, but do watch the video up until the end.
So before I plait, I moisture my hair just so I don't break my hair while plaiting, because if the hair is dry it may break, because I'm going to use a wool and needle, so it may break my hair if it's dry. Even if it's a normal cornrows, guys, it may break your hair, so you should always moisture your hair. And I always give my edges a massage, like with my hairline products. It really helps to rebuild my hairline, because I had patches, like I had real patches. And yeah, right now my hair is no longer falling off. I think the protein treatment really helped. Like, I did the protein treatment, and a couple of days after I did my cornrows, and when I unplaited the cornrows, they felt okay, not the cornrows, the hair felt really moistured. It was so hydrated. I honestly love the protein treatment, and I'm gonna invest in doing more protein treatments. However, you shouldn't overdo protein treatments. You can skip maybe 2 months or 4 weeks, then you do your second one. And it's advised to do it when you need it, not just randomly, because overdoing it can also affect your hair. So obviously when you do cornrows, you'll have to open a line. Okay, my lines are not straight, guys. I think for you to open like better lines, you need a tail comb. I couldn't find mine, and I was not willing to look for it. So yeah, I worked with what I had. So when you do a needle and wool cornrows, this is what you do. I think it's quite clear, guys. It's really clear. It's really clear. You have to tie your first knot. Yes, don't make it too tight, because it may break your hairline. So yeah, that is what you do, and you continue like that. Another way, you can do flat twist and then come on top with the wool so that it secures the flat twist. However, a flat twist on short hair, it's not really possible. Like, shorter than this one, it's not really possible. Even twist outs, they are so not possible. They become so bulky. So doing it like this, it's very helpful. You just hold your hair, and as you go to the back, nothing tricky. What I appreciate with this needle and thread cornrows is that I can still plait my hairline without actually breaking it. If you use small hair piece, like they do at the salon, like last time I did cornrows at the salon, they use a very small hair piece so that they can be able to hold my hairline. However, that braked my hairline. So this one doesn't necessarily break your hairline, just that when you unplait it, you just have to be careful. You just have to pull the wool the same way you have plaited it. Don't try and tear it and do funny things. Just follow, the coil when you unplait. So I was using a very long needle, so it was a bit short for my back part, so I had to join in with another wool, and when you join the wool, it's just easy. You just do it the same way you started, just like that, and you secure it, and that's it. Then you continue sewing as normal. Yo guys, I'm so aware that my voice is so soft. It's in the AMs and I'm also not feeling well. So yeah, please bear with me. But my voice is naturally soft. I think you've noticed that on my videos. Just that today is just so worse. So worse. So when you get to the back, this is how you like finish off the line with like Bunny and Bertie kind of style, you know. And I think Bunny and Bertie is a good protective hairstyle. Like it doesn't really hit your hairline. And I think I can't really do it on my head because when I get to the top I get so tired and I can't continue. So this one is really, I think it's not that tiring. Hence I can do the whole head without even taking breaks and stuff like that. So for the second line, I'm not gonna show it all. I'm just gonna show a bit. The reason why I'm showing it is because I just want to show you how I join my first line with my second line. It's the same technique, nothing changes, you just continue the same way. So when I get to the back part, I just join them together like that with Bernie and Bertie, and that's it. You move to the next line. So because my lines are not straight, what I did is I moved to the other side so that I can be able to balance my lines. So in this way, I'll be able to have all my lines going to the back, because if I continued, I was going to have some of my lines on the other side coming to my ear, and I didn't want that. I wanted all of them to go to the back. So I'm just going to continue, guys, the same way. It's not necessary for me to show you everything. And that's it. Voila, I'm done. So you can choose to oil your hair, do whatever. I just used the spray because I had just washed my hair and oiled it a couple of hours before I did this. So yeah, and that's it. So this part I just wanted to show you how my wigs fit. They fit very fine. Like they're not so big. It's better than leaving your hair out. Like if I leave my hair out, my wigs become bumpy. Another option is to wear a wig cap, but that doesn't work for me. It doesn't really work. I think it works for people with flat hair, like relaxed hair. So yeah, and I think knowing how to do your own cornrows is very cost effective, guys. You can undo it within a week without feeling bad that, oh, I spent $100 just last week, you know. So you don't have to keep them for long. I used to keep cornrows for longer, like 3 weeks, because I paid for them. So now I can just keep them for a week. Then after a week, I just rinse my hair, do whatever to my hair without feeling bad that I'm wasting money.
And now it's time for giveaway announcement time, and I'm gonna be having 2 winners, and the first winner will get a Clicks gift voucher worth 250 to buy your desired natural hair products. And I will also suggest natural hair products that you can buy for yourself. Let me just finish like to show you what's on the giveaway box. So this is for another winner. So the one who's gonna win this is gonna get everything inside here. It's the lotion from Vida, the highlight kit for your knots, for bleaching knots and highlighting your hair, and 2 combs, the white tooth comb and the This one I use to detangle. I think it's a nice detangling cream. It detangles hair. And there's also a hair serum for your wigs, and you can also use it for your natural hair. And there's a molding gel from Vida as well. These products I bought with my own money. They are not sponsored. And yeah, you can use it for your natural hair. I don't really like it on wigs. It doesn't sit well on wigs. So yeah, people like it for natural hair. I'm not a gel person, so I don't use a lot of gels. And then you're gonna get a bubble with brushes for your dyes, your highlight kits, and that's all. And the products I would suggest for you, let me put this here. I would suggest this. Okay, this one I'll just put it in the giveaway box. I'd suggest this, which is going there. I would also suggest this coconut oil from the same brand as the protein pack. It's really nice. It retains moisture very well. I would also suggest the Ultimate Blend. It's a detangler, oil, hydrating, styling, oil moisturizing spray from Ganier. It has rice cream and oats milk. So this product was made with starch juice. It's written somewhere here. So we all know the benefits of rice water. We've heard people talking about rice water this, rice water that. For me, rice water, like, it dries out my hair. I haven't really seen a full effect of rice water on my hair. So I recently got this. It detangles my hair very well, and I hope it will give me like the rice water effect. However, it's very creamy. I don't use it when I'm just moisturizing my hair. I use it when I detangle and I'm just in the house. And for moisturizing, I'd suggest this. It's a moisturizer from African Pride. It's very good. They also have one in a container. I think you've seen it on my channel. Please watch my other videos. I'll just link them up here. And I also use this braid spray. I wanted to say sheen spray because I saw sheen here. This it's a braid spray. I use it on my cornrows when I'm just not oiling my scalp, like for everyday use. You know, I just spray and go and wear my wig and go. And yeah, those are the products I would suggest. Oh, and also for wash products, I would suggest Ganier. They also have a coconut oil range. This is avocado range. And I would also suggest this hair growth stimulator from Vida. It has helped my hairline so much. I think you've seen it on my other videos. I've used it and I'm still using it. And yeah, I honestly love this product. So those are the products I would suggest for whoever that's gonna win this voucher. So the second lucky lady will walk away with this hot comb for your wigs. I am not so hyped about this hot comb. I'll just show you how to correctly use it on my channel soon. But yeah, you'll get to see the full effect of this hot comb. And yeah, you'll get to win this for your wigs. You must be a wig lover, obviously, to win this. I mean, there's no point of entering something you're not gonna use. And for you to win, you must be subscribed to this channel, number one. Number two, you must at least follow me on one social media account. I leave all my social media accounts. I'm mostly active on Instagram, but I'll leave all the accounts I have down below. So you just click on those links and follow me. And I will leave a picture of the giveaway on my social media accounts. You just have to like and comment your current favorite natural products. It doesn't have to be, you know, afro, you know, products only. I know that people with relaxed hair, so you can just comment uguti when you have afro, and you use so and so and so products for your natural hair. You don't know, like someone might read the comment and might buy the products and it may help them. So yeah, just comment your hair type and the products you're currently using on any of my social media accounts. You can also leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, see you in my next upload. The giveaway will close 20 August 2020. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.